customer for your products, find product for your customers, said by the famous personality Seth Godin. Sustained growth depends on how well you treat your business and how carefully you maintain customer relationship. Now I would like to talk about marketing myopia. What is marketing myopia? It was a mistake of paying more attention to specific product that the company offers rather than the benefits and experiences provided by the product. I can simply say it is product oriented rather than the customer oriented. Marketing myopia was a term coined by the personality Theodore Levitt in the year 1960. It won the McKinsey Award in the same year, and he was a lecturer at the Business Administration of Harvard Business and raised a question, what business are you really in? Railroads did not think about transportation in general. They talk about only trains. Even same happened with Hollywood. They did not consider as an entertainment industry. They talk only about films. Now I would like to talk about marketing myopia causes. Number 1. Narrow-minded approach to marketing, where only short-range goals are considered. Number 2. Product-oriented rather than customer-oriented. Number 3. Stepchild treatment to marketing. Sellers focus on the needs of the seller, where marketing focus on needs of buyer. And number 4. Extensive focus on the research and development. Now I would say myths of marketing myopia. 1. Company thinks that growth is guaranteed by expanding population. And number 2. Believe that there is no competitive substitute for industry's major product. 3. Mass production. They do not consider customer needs. And the 4th one, focusing on product rather than the innovation, not considering changing customers' lifestyle in this digital age. Companies fall under marketing myopia. Kodak film camera, which fall prey into marketing myopia. Sony digital camera invaded the market, which was a roaring success. You might have heard about Zipsy. It was India's sport utility vehicle. The brand was considered as an aspirational one by many young stars in their hearts. With its tagline, Gypsy in everyone, it failed in its first mover advantage. And the brand is now confined to niche markets, the police and army vehicles. Some marketers look beyond the attributes of products and services. They create brand experience. For example, take IPL. You don't watch IPL. You immerse yourself in the IPL experience. Coca-Cola. It's a very good example where marketing myopia is absent. And take example of Apple. It goes for constant innovation with its products like iPhone, Macintosh computers, iPods, wireless earphones. So many comes with new technology. Prevention of marketing myopia. Customer oriented. It's no longer satisfy your customer. You must delight them, said by famous personality Philip Kotler. Focus on marketing. You need to identify the needs and wants of customer and satisfy them. Look for future opportunities. You should look forward for the opportunities for your company's growth. Retention of existing customer. The twofold goal of marketing is to attract the new customer and build relationship with your existing customer. If you maintain good relationship with your existing customer, they talk good about your company and bring some more customers. And disruptive innovation. Creativity is thinking of new things, and innovation is doing new things. I would like to conclude, business will do better in the end when they focus on the customer rather than the products. In this era of digitalization, the companies should go for constant innovation and disruptive innovation. They should look forward for the opportunities for the companies to grow and should satisfy the customer needs. A loyal customer will make repeated purchases and do talk good about the company and bring customers.